Hey, y'all, and welcome to another fun-filled episode of Eatin Good in the Woods Campground Reviews. Today, we're going to a humongous Virginia State Park located in Marion, Virginia. Y'all, this is Hungry Mother State Park, so y'all follow me. I'll show you around. Before we go any further, I'd like to remind you guys, please don't forget to mash that subscribe button, give me a big old thumbs up, maybe even leave me a comment or two. I sure would appreciate it. Wanted to tell you guys about this great app too, RV Parky. What a wonderful app to go find campgrounds all over this great country of ours. And it's absolutely free. Check your Play Store. Alright, we're going to start this one off a little bit different than my other campground reviews. We're going to start this one off with a joke. And it goes like this. What's the difference between Celtic music and bluegrass music? Well, you're going to have to wait to the very end of the video to find out. Before we get on to the campground portion of this video, I want to let y'all know a little history about this park and how its park got its name, Hungry Mother. The legend of Hungry Mother takes many forms and all have whispers of the truth, but the one widely accepted by the people of Southwest Virginia goes like this. Legend has it that a pioneer named Molly Marley and her small child were captured by the Native American tribe and taken to their mountaintop camp. Molly and her little one eventually escaped and wandered through the woods foraging for food and searching for shelter. One day, Molly collapsed from exhaustion, and the youngster continued along the creek until help was found. The only words the child could utter were "Hungry Mother." A search party later found Molly dead at the foot of the mountain near the creek. The mountain went on to be called Molly's Knob, and the stream Hungry Mother Creek. In the 1930s, the CCC developed the park, and the creek was dammed to form the lake. The name of the park is wrapped in its own mystery. Originally, it was to be called Forest Lake. The name was changed to Southwest Virginia Lake and then to Hungry Mother State Park not long before the park opened. The debate over the legend and the park name continues to this day. Aside from getting in a little R&R, if you know what I mean, this park does feature a few things that you may find interesting. For instance, trails. Hiking and bicycle trails as well as self-guided trails have more than 17 miles of trail and are open year-round. Hungry Mother offers self-guided programs for all ages and interests. The Kids on the Park Track Trail is a 0.6-mile paved trail that helps children and adults learn about various plants and animals in the park. The park also offers a geocaching program, which is very cool, and that takes guests on a treasure hunt. The Discovery Center has information about the program and geocaching in general. Guests may also visit the Discovery Center to check out one of the 4 park packs for up to 3 days. Each pack contains supplies, equipment, and games for learning about and identifying flora and fauna. They also have a wonderful lakeside beach that features swimming. Between the Saturday of Memorial Day weekend and Labor Day, guarded beach swimming is available for a fee. Weather and other issues that occurs at times may force the suspension of guarded swimming. When guarded swimming is unavailable, guests may swim at the beach's designated area, but do so at their own risk. Swimming anywhere else in the park is prohibited. The swimming beach has a bathhouse and a concession area. From Saturday of Memorial Day weekend through Labor Day, guarded swimming and a snack bar available from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekdays and 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. on weekends and holidays. Unfortunately for you horse folk, horses are not allowed at the park. However, if you're a hunter, about 800 acres on Walker Mountain are open to deer and small game hunting annually. A valid Virginia hunting license is required. Check with the park office regarding specific areas that are open for hunting. And whoo, if you're into NASCAR, let me tell you a little something. Bristol Motor Speedway is less than an hour away. We got anyone here that likes to fish? Say yes or no down in the comments, but this little bit's just for you. The 108-acre Hungry Mother Lake within the park supports a host of sports fish, including largemouth, smallmouth, hybrid striped, and spotted bass, as well as crappie and flathead catfish, carp, bluegill, rock bass, and walleye. The channel catfish, hybrid striped bass, walleyes, and muskie are stocked every year. However, you must have a valid Virginia fishing license. Boat launching is available for non-gasoline powered boats. Let me say that again. Non-gasoline powered boats. A boat launching ramp and a universally accessible fishing pier have also been developed. Boat rentals for canoes, kayaks, paddle boards, and paddle boats are available Memorial Day weekend, again through Labor Day, and on weekends through October, weather permitting. And now a quick commercial break, and then I'll tell you all about this beautiful campground. Say, that reminds me, if y'all are looking for a way to support this channel, keep this here trainer rolling full of farm fresh content twice a week, why don't you slide over to my Teespring shop, get yourself a coffee mug or maybe even a t-shirt. But if you don't want to do that, how about you go to buymeacoffee.com, and for the price of a cup of coffee, you help keep this train a-rolling. You can also visit boondockerswelcome.com. All of the links are in the description. Thanks a bunch. The park offers 3 shelters for rent through the Customer Service Center. Not only do they have picnic shelters, but they also have an amphitheater that can be rented as well. Okay, let's talk about this campground. Apart from the campground, this park also features cabins, a lodge, and yurts. Let me tell you a little bit about the cabins. These things are absolutely gorgeous. Between Memorial Day weekend and Labor Day, all cabins in the lodge are rented for a 6-night minimum, beginning on a specific start date that varies by cabin. These cabins feature a kitchen that has a refrigerator, a range, coffee maker, dishes, silverware, cooking utensils, all the stuff you're going to need. There is no dishwasher, telephone, TV, or washer dryer. Apart from dish detergent and coffee filters, you need to make sure you bring your own food and coffee. Salt and pepper, non-stick cooking spray, all that stuff. No linens are provided. Guests must bring their own sheets and blankets. The living area has a sofa, a dining table, and an end table, and the bedrooms have a nightstand, chest of drawers, and clock radio. The bathroom is universally accessible for handicapped folk, as well as the bathroom has a shower that is universally accessible, as well as a sink and a toilet. There's a charcoal pedestal grill outside, and there's a fireplace on the inside. 2 vehicles per cabin are allowed, and overnight cabin guests receive 1 bundle of free firewood per stay. More is available for purchase. This park also features yurts, which is kind of a modern adaptation of an ancient nomadic shelter. Functionally speaking, they're a cross between a tent and a cabin. Hungry Mother has 3 yurts, 2 of which are in Camp Burson, and the other yurt is in the Royal Oak Campground. Each yurt has a large wooden deck, a picnic table, and a fire ring with a cooking grate. The maximum occupancy on these is 4. There's 1 queen-size bed and a twin-size trundle pullout. No linens are provided, and guests must bring sleeping bags or linens. Yurts have no inside electricity, water, or lighting. An electrical pedestal and water hydrant are next to Camp Burson yurts. The Royal Oak yurt has no water or electricity available at the site. Each yurt has a sofa, chair, coffee table, and a dining room table, in addition to the bed and trundle bed. There is no heat or air conditioning in these. Guests may use the campground bathhouse located a short walk from the sites. There are 3 campgrounds at Hungry Mother. First is Camp Burson, which features 30 sites with electric, water, and sewer, and 20 with just electric and water. Next to that is Creekside Campground, which is electric and water and 19 sites. And I'm going to tell you, this one down there is a little on the tight side, so if you have more than 20 foot on your camper, I wouldn't really recommend that one. And then down the road from there is the Royal Oak Campground, which is 11 tent sites and 1 yurt. Camping equipment must fit on a 20 by 20 pad. There are no hookups. So in total, we've got 80 campsites in this park, 50 of which are in Camp Burson. So So as you can see, this is one beautiful park. And listen, at the end, oh, wait a minute, I almost forgot to tell you the rest of the joke. So, what is the difference between Celtic music and bluegrass music? In Celtic music, only the girl dies. In bluegrass music, the whole family dies. Ha! That's funny. Anyway, y'all, listen, thanks so much for coming along on this little adventure with me. Y'all go on out there and be nice to one another. I sure love y'all. And until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.